Alright, Algebra 3ers. Here's a review of the finger trick we use for memorizing the values for the sine, cosine, and tangent of 30, 45, and 60. And in the future we'll use it for 0 and 90 as well, but for now we'll just stick with 30, 45, 60. So first, remember, we want to order fingers left to right from 0 to 30, 45, 60, and 90. So least to greatest from left to right, which should be hopefully pretty logical and easier to remember. I think the thing people forget is they often jump from 30 to 60 and forget the 45 in the middle, or forget to start at 0 and start with 30. So 30, 0, start with 0, 30, 45, 60, and then 90. Alright, the left part of the hand, we always use sine. It will always be our sine value. The right part of the hand will always be our cosine value, and we use that. We always put that value over 2. With that value, we'll always take the square root of it. And then for tangent, our definition of tangent, sine over cosine. So really, what we're going to do is take the left part of the hand over the right part of the hand. But let's look at some examples. So for instance, if we want the sine of 30, we put down the 30 finger. Then we want to take the fingers that are still up on the left part of the hand. So there is 1. So we say radical 1 over 2. Radical 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So for the sine of 30, our answer is 1 over 2. If I want cosine of 45, put down the 45 finger. We want the left fingers that are still up for cosine, so there's 2 of them up, so we want radical 2 over 2, the value for the cosine of 45. For the tangent of 60, we're going to put the 60 finger down. Rather than take the left part or the right part for tangent, we want to take the left part over the right part, and we ignore the over 2 for tangent. So radical 3 over radical 1 for the tangent of 60, and we do need radical on both of those parts for tangent. So radical 3 over radical 1, however, we know radical 1, as we previously stated, is 1. So radical 3 over 1 reduces to simply radical 3 for the cosine, for the tangent of 60. Let's do one more. Let's say cosine of 30. Cosine is right part of the hand, 3. So radical 3 over 2 for the cosine of 30. Hopefully that gives you a nice reminder of how to find the sine, cosine, or tangent of a 30, 45, or 60, or gives you something to refer back to at home in case you forget how to apply this trick.